It can be an overwhelming experience to begin your journey of better hearing healthcare. One of the questions we at Audiology Island often get is, which hearing aid is right for me? In this brief video, we want to summarize for you some of the various types and styles of hearing aid technology that is out there today. Here you see that there are different sizes of hearing aids. Most of the devices that go into the ear are called custom hearing aids. They are shaped specifically to the individual's ear and may appear slightly different depending on the size and shape of your ear. Next, you will see different sizes that go behind the ear. The larger, more traditional device is mainly for severe to profound hearing loss. This device comes with a custom ear mold. Another type of hearing aid that sits behind the ear is the receiver in the canal. Every hearing aid manufacturer has this type of device, which will have its own unique look and features. There are hearing aids that will use regular hearing aid batteries, and then there are those that will have rechargeable batteries with its own unique charger. Completely invisible hearing aid is the Lyric. This device is maintenance-free, like a contact lens for the ear. It is designed to sit in the ear canal 24 hours a day. You sleep with it and shower with it. Every 3 to 4 months, you would come into our clinic and we will change the device for you. It is important to note that every individual has different hearing needs and different lifestyles as well as budget. We encourage our patients not to feel overwhelmed by all the technology that is out there. We will work with you and find the device that is right for you.